students, this is the second part of the video. Actually the first part of the video got interrupted because of the technical error. So this is the second part, and if you have not watched the first part, go and watch the first part, then only come and continue here the classes, otherwise you won't be able to understand what has already been taught. So what I was giving you is that name the following. I'll read the questions, and because D number 1, you can in the back side you can see that all the answers are written, but though I told already that I will also dictate it. The first part which is there is that name the following. D number 1. These are drawn on the maps and globes in order to make it easy to find places. So what are that? These are called lines. Okay, these are lines are drawn. Okay, and 2 number is that these are imaginary lines that are drawn vertically from North Pole to South Pole. What are that? Longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines that are drawn vertically from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, so next question is what? Places on the maps can be located with the help of this. So what can be located with the help of this? Grids. Grids. Okay, the answer is what? Grids. You can see in the back side that already have written that the grids. Okay, so that C number 3. Okay, big number C number 3. That big number C not sorry big number D number 3. Now it is big number 4 D number 4. This is the number of the time zones in the world. So how many time zones are there? There are 24 time zones are there. Okay, so there are 24 time zones, and D number big number D number 5 is that this is the 0 degree latitude. So what is the 0 degree latitude? So equator is the 0 degree latitude. Okay, equator is the 0 degree latitude. Now is the turn to give you the question answers. All of you are ready with your book. Please take out the book and be ready, because you need to mark it. I will give in there. It will be easy for you to write, as this spelling mistake will not be there. Okay, so what happens when you copy it, sometimes it becomes spelling mistake and you are very hurry to write. Just to mark, try to write it very nicely, because now if you want correction of your copy, then it is very tough also. But if from book if you write, then mistake will not be there. There is less chances of mistake. So mark in book, the mistake will be very less. Okay, there will be no mistake. I prefer there will be no mistake, because if you write mistake, then you will learn mistake. So write very nicely, otherwise I don't want that you should learn mistake. Okay, you have to write and learn very clearly and neatly. And already I have told that fill in the blanks, write true and false, and match the following, also name the following, answer the following questions. All the things you have to write in your copy. Okay, so maintain your copy when this lockdown, coronavirus will be over, and when you will come in school, that time I will check your copy nicely. And also I want that every copies should be neat and clean and should be maintained very properly in the disciplined way. Okay, so do your work regularly, keep in regularly touch with the studies. It is not like that you are writing the notes only. You should also read it, you should also learn it, because exams will come, that time you will be unable to attend it. And also we are giving the question answers, and daily try to do the work daily and finish it soon. Okay, so now we take page number. What are latitudes? Okay, so question is what are latitudes? You have to take the page number, that is page number 10. Okay, take page number 10. Then see this line. A number of the circles are drawn parallel to the equator. All these circles, including the equator itself, are called latitude. See page number 10. Okay, it is page number 10. You can see it is page number 10. Then in the first line, which is there, okay, in the first line it is there, a number, you can see it, a number of circles. See it, the number of the circles. Got it? The number of the circles are drawn parallel to the equator. Got it now? All these circles, including the equator itself, are, you can see, equator itself are called what? Latitudes. Got it or not? Are called latitudes, up to this much. Got now? Up to this much. Your answer is up to this much, latitudes. So this is E number 1 answer. So that question number 2, I need to read it, then I'll give you the answer of question number 2. I hope that you are writing the answer, and if you are marking, first of all mark it, then you go to write. Okay, So what do you mean by the word longitude? In here, in the question only, there is two ways of writing the answer. Okay, I'll give the both the way to you. So what do you mean by the word longitude? From question you write or question you mark that the word longitude means, you can see here, okay,